Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make the ultimate tuna sandwich. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients: 2 cans of high-quality tuna, about 1/4 cup of creamy mayonnaise, 1 stalk of crisp celery, and 1/4 of a small red onion. Don't forget your favorite fresh bread, along with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten all the flavors. This combination ensures a truly delicious experience. Now, let's craft our perfect tuna salad. First, drain your 2 cans of tuna very well. Excess liquid can make your sandwich soggy. Next, finely dice your 1 stalk of celery and the 1/4 of a red onion into small, consistent pieces, ensuring a pleasant crunch in every bite. Gently combine the drained tuna, mayonnaise, celery, and red onion in a medium-sized bowl, mixing until just incorporated. Overmixing can break down the tuna too much. Seasoning is key to elevating your tuna sandwich. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to your tuna mixture. Then, squeeze in approximately 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the flavors and cuts through the richness of the mayonnaise beautifully. Mix everything gently, then taste a small spoonful. Adjust the salt, pepper, or lemon juice as needed until it's perfectly balanced to your liking. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast 2 slices of your favorite bread. A slight toast adds a wonderful texture and prevents sogginess. Spread a generous amount of your perfectly seasoned tuna salad evenly across 1 slice of the toasted bread, ensuring it reaches the edges. Place the second slice of bread on top, then carefully slice your sandwich diagonally from corner to corner. Serve immediately and enjoy your truly ultimate tuna sandwich.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.